How to delete all Facebook account without password, email, phone and username. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Now at the top right corner you can find this search icon. Click on it. At the top you'll find the search box. Over there type in the username of the Facebook account that you want to delete. Head towards the profile. Now over here you will find three dots. Click on it. You will find different options. Click on the option report profile. Now here you have to select the reason pretending to be something. Select the option me. Click on done. You have just reported this Facebook account. Now you have to report to this Facebook account from different Facebook accounts. Once this Facebook account gets maximum number of report, it will be deleted. So this is how you can delete all Facebook account without password, email, phone and username. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.